Hi, this is Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru, and I've just returned from Sydney. It's the 31st of May. I was at the Search Marketing Summit where everything about pay-per-click and SEO and mobile marketing and all sorts of things with all these international speakers occurred. And I got a big takeaway from that about a new tool that I wasn't aware of, and it's called Lighthouse. And the thing to do is just do a Google search of Lighthouse for Google Chrome, and you'll see this first link here is for that. It is a plugin. The plugin only works with the Google Chrome browser, so it won't go into Netscape or it won't go into Safari, but it's a really powerful tool, which I'm going to show you, and I think, and it's free. It's 100% free, so you might want to do it. So I'm in the Google Chrome browser. And of course, whenever I demonstrate something, I have to use my own websites because of privacy and whatnot. So I've got the Lighthouse, which is this little icon over here, because it's a plugin to my Google Chrome browser. And I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to be running it on the Aussie Web Conversion website so you can see what it does. So if I just click on that, it'll pop up and it'll say, you know, do you want to generate a report? And I'm going to say yes. And so here it goes. And this is unbelievable. For a free tool, the amount of, it's now going through the site virtually page by page, and it's checking to see whether it's mobile friendly, and it's scrolling up and down the screen, it's doing pages and sub pages. You're watching it as you can see it. It's doing all this really amazing stuff. It takes it a few minutes. But then you get this, and this is just, you know, it gives you the date and time, emulated on a Nexus 5 and 3G networks and speed, and it gives you just a whole slew of information that's extremely important. And, you know, performance, it's not giving me a lot of things there. Progressive web apps, a lot of people don't use. Accessibility, yep. Clickability, that's good. Best practices, that's 2/3. I'm not unhappy with that. SEO, 90%. I'm not unhappy with that. It's telling me my speed, 2.9 seconds to load, and then index speed 6 and 12, time to interact. Here are different pages and how they view on mobile devices. Gives you server speed time and all sorts of stuff here. Gives you diagnostics and JavaScript and nodes. Progressive web apps is a separate sort of thing. I'm not going to get into that in great detail. Here's the accessibility data. Here's some recommended fixes for best practice. And see, all of these have a specific area explaining what you can and can't do and how to fix it up and how to make it better. So this is kind of like the old Google PageSpeed Insights, but it's on steroids. And it gives you so much information. Now, you know, as a business owner, you probably don't need to go through all this information yourself, but please share this video with your web developers, because like I said, I was in a room with 100 people, and probably 2/3 of us didn't know this Lighthouse tool was available from Google. So send a link to this video to your web developers and have them launch it up so that they can go in here and get access to this sort of information on your website. And like I said, it's one of those that really tries to provide useful information down to pages and specific JavaScript to make your website better. And so from that point of view, it's a really, really powerful and useful tool. And as soon as I came back from the conference last night and was putting together this video, I had to do it for you because this is an unbelievable tool, and it's free. You don't have to know how to understand and work all this stuff yourself, but give it to your web developer so that they can improve the performance of your site and give you specific instructions and pages and things to fix and how to make it a better experience so that you get more business, you get more clients, you get more leads, the usual. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please feel free to contact me on the phone or send me an email. Looking forward to talking to you in the future. It's Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru.